Renting an apartment in the UK involves a systematic approach. Here's a concise guide. Research and budget. Begin by researching neighborhoods in the UK and setting a budget for your rental. Consider proximity to amenities, public transport, and local services. Online platforms. Utilize online platforms like Zoopla, Rightmove, or On the Market to browse available apartments. These websites provide a comprehensive listing of rental properties. Local estate agents. Engage with local estate agents who can assist you in finding suitable properties based on your preferences. They often have in-depth knowledge of the local rental market. View apartments. Schedule viewings for shortlisted properties. Inspect the apartments personally or virtually to assess the condition and amenities. Prepare documentation. Have necessary documentation ready, including proof of identity, proof of income, and references from previous landlords. Some landlords may require a guarantor. Negotiate lease terms. Negotiate rental terms, including rent, lease duration, and any specific conditions. Ensure clarity on responsibilities for maintenance and repairs. Reference checks. Undergo reference checks as part of the application process. Landlords often request employer references and previous landlord references. Deposit and rent payments. Pay the security deposit and the first month's rent upfront. Ensure you understand the terms of the deposit protection scheme used. Move-in inspection. Conduct a move-in inspection with the landlord, documenting any existing damages or issues. Set up utilities. Set up utility accounts in your name, including gas, electricity, water, and internet services.